Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the video inside or behind the logo in CapCut PC. So first, select the black screen, hit right, and add the logo as an overlay. Just put on top, and you can resize, change for the aspect ratio. Alright. You can select the clips. Select the clips. Right click and create compound clip. Move up as an overlay and select your video in bottom. Just for the duration, the same length. Like it. Alright, sorry. Alright. Select the overlay and select mode overlay. You can select darken. So you can see the video inside the logo. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.